Welcome to this bite-sized tutorial. I'm Ankur from BytePlus, and in this session, I'll walk through how to get quickly started with BytePlus ModelArk platform. ModelArk is BytePlus AI platform where you can get access to all the BytePlus latest AI models, experience model capabilities in the console, and create APIs to build your own Gen AI applications. Now let's have a look at how to get access to ModelArk. To start using ModelArk, once you have logged into BytePlus homepage at console.byteplus.com, you will see all the services and solutions listed here. To access ModelArk, in the homepage, search for ModelArk. Click on the ModelArk tile to open ModelArk homepage console. To get access to all the models list in the ModelArk console, from the left-hand side menu, click on Foundation Models section. Here you can find list of all the models available on our platform, including large language models, image and video generation models, strong character models, vision vector embedding models, as well as open source models, which we are hosting on our platform. We will be adding more and more models in the same console. To check model details in each of the model tiles, you can find Model Details button. Click this button to check the model details, corresponding features, capabilities, pricing, as well as performance benchmarks which we have rolled out in our platform. To experience model performance quickly, you can interact with models using our user interface called Playground, which you can access either from the left-hand side menu under Chat and Media sections. Or you can To check model details in each of the model tiles, you can find Model Details button. Click this to check model details, features, capabilities, as well as model performance benchmarks which we have published on the platform. To experience model performance quickly, you can interact with models using Playground. You can access Playground from the left menu. Click on the Chat tab to interact with large language model. Click on the Media tab to interact with image and video models. You can also access Playground from each of the model tiles by clicking on the Try Now button to open corresponding Playground. For example, in Seed Dance Pro tile, which is a video generation model, click on Try Now button. This will open AI Video Playground. You can enter text prompt to generate videos from text, or you can upload your images to generate videos from images and check output in the console. To build your Gen AI applications and AI-powered features, you need API for the BytePlus AI models. Let's see how you can create API endpoints and keys from the ModelArk console. As a first step, ensure that the model you need is activated. From menu, click on Model Activations tab. And for each of the models, ensure that model is activated by clicking the Activate button under Actions column. Similarly, for the image and video models, ensure that the models are activated by clicking the Activate button on Actions column. Second step is to create API key for your application endpoint, which we will need in step 3. From left-hand menu, click on API Key Management section. Click Create API Key and generate your API key. Same key can be used for different models. Third and last step is to create API endpoint. Click Online Inference section in menu. You can use predefined endpoints for each of the models. In this tutorial, let's create a custom API endpoint. Click on Custom Inference Endpoint. Click on Create Inference Endpoint. Give it a name. Select your model from the models list. Select corresponding version. Click Confirm and click on Create button to create your API endpoint. That's 3 easy steps to create API endpoint from ModelArk console. Once you have created API endpoint, you can check the endpoint ID in Custom Inference tab. For example, for my video app endpoint which I have created, corresponding endpoint ID is mentioned over here. To get the API integration code, you can check our online documentation or refer to console as well. Select your API endpoint. Click on API Details tab. You can find the API HTTP request code directly available in the console. Just replace it with your API key and quickly test from your ID. Or check BytePlus SDK for various languages such as Python, Java, Golang to quickly integrate in your AI application. For details of SDKs, APIs, parameters, and overall ModelArk features, refer to our complete documentation at docs.byteplus.com.